Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marie with Cujos Candles Co. Thank you so much for supporting me and for being here. You guys, thank you so much for my day one subbies. I'm so appreciative of you guys, and thank you so much for those who found me along the way, and to the new subscribers. Welcome, have a seat, because we are about to learn more than candle making. I have been gone for a long time, but in this video, I will tell you where I have been. If this is something you're interested in, stick around. Candle making was great. It felt nice to share some tips and teach some of you guys how to make candles. When I left, I felt disappointed in myself for letting you down. There are so many times when I wanted to come back, but my spirit was telling me that I wasn't ready. In all honesty, leaving YouTube and my candle social media was a necessity for my self-growth. The reason why I left was to focus on me. You know, I was the type to check in on everyone. I didn't like to see others go through a hard time. So I thought it was my duty to make sure everyone is doing okay. But taking that time to myself made me realize something really important, at least to me. I recall making appointments with people weeks in advance, only for them to cancel on me the night before. I recall wishing some of my quote-unquote friends a happy birthday for years, only to come to a realization later on after reflecting that they never actually cared. And I only made excuses for them to make myself feel better. Being there for people only to realize that they have been taking advantage of my kindness and naivety. Realizing these in my life really hurts. You guys don't even know how much this hurts, do you? Have you been in the position where you realize that people have been taking advantage of you and your naivety, that you're finally like, wow, why did I do that to myself? Why did I allow them to walk all over me like a carpet? Or why did I let this slide? How come I didn't see that? See, the blame always comes to yourself. Until you take that time to yourself and set these boundaries, these healthy boundaries for yourself, people will always do whatever they want in your life. That is one of the most important things that I learned from this journey. Taking that time away, I have built self-love, respect, and boundaries in my life. I no longer allow myself to be quote-unquote there for those who aren't there for me. I no longer check on everyone, but instead I check in with myself. How am I doing? How do I feel? What do I need or want at this moment? Continue comforting myself and love myself that way. To me, that means true love. That means caring for yourself. That means being there for yourself. Last year, I let go of 2 friends that I was friends with for a long time. And it was the best thing that ever happened to me. It no longer mattered to me. All I needed was balance in my life and respect for myself. Currently, I have built so much respect for who I am. I enjoy being by myself now. I have placed a healthy boundary where I trust and protect myself. I can speak my mind. I no longer fear anything. It's okay to express how I feel. I fulfill my needs. I don't need anyone to do that for me. I am taking this channel personally. We're no longer going to focus on candle making alone. We are going to make cosmetics oil to better care for your skin and for your hair. Most of these herbs that I use for my oils are from my garden. So I am pretty excited, and my garden is pretty full of organic seeds. So get ready. Finally, if you ask me where I have been, my answer to that is self-discovery. Remember, every person you meet in this world is only here for a short time, so be kind. So this is the end. Thank you so much for being here, for listening to me, and watching this video. I appreciate you. I will see you in my next one that's coming up soon. Bye.